Technically, you can be in two places at once, and you don't need any special technology to do it. The trick lies in how we actually define you. Every cell in your body is constantly dying and being replaced. Your skin, your blood, even parts of your bones are made of matter that wasn't part of you a few years ago. So the atoms that make up you right now are scattered across the planet in old skin cells, exhaled breath, and shed hair, meaning physical pieces of you already exist in dozens of places simultaneously. But there's a more direct way to think about this. Light from your body takes time to travel. When someone looks at you from across a room, they're not seeing you in the present moment. They're seeing light that left your body a fraction of a second ago. Over greater distances, that delay grows. If you were standing on the moon, anyone watching you from Earth would be seeing you as you were over a second in the past. You exist in their perception as a slightly outdated version of yourself, while the real you has already moved on. This effect becomes even stranger with stars. Some of the stars you see at night already exploded thousands of years ago. The light is still arriving, but the source is gone. In a way, you are looking at something that exists and doesn't exist at the same time. Present in your eyes, absent in reality. Now here's where things get genuinely mind-bending. In quantum physics, particles like electrons can exist in something called superposition, meaning they are technically in multiple locations simultaneously until they're measured or observed. This isn't a measurement error or a limitation of our instruments. It's an actual physical property of reality at the smallest scales. The particle isn't hiding its location from us. It genuinely doesn't have one fixed location until something interacts with it. So if you're made of atoms, and atoms are made of particles that follow these rules, some physicists argue that on an extremely small scale, parts of you may exist in a kind of probability cloud rather than one definite place, at least before being observed. Of course, your body as a whole doesn't do this. Quantum effects like superposition essentially disappear at the scale of something as large and complex as a human. But the underlying particles that build you follow rules where two places at once isn't science fiction. It's just an ordinary Tuesday on the quantum level. So can you be in two places at once? In a strict physical sense, mostly no. But in terms of light delay, scattered matter, and the literal particles that make you up, pieces of you already are.